Welcome back to Livie's Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel, and I'm your host, Fam the Fabulous. For more ideas, inspiration, swaps, and challenges, click the link in the description below to join our craft community, the Maker Exchange, on Facebook. Welcome back, all my artists, creators, crafters, and makers. Welcome back to the Lovely Lab. Now listen, so I am popping on today to share with you. I'm actually going to unbox it because I have cut the tape open off of it, but I have not opened the box at all. So while I know what I purchased, what you see online is oftentimes not quite what you get once it gets to your doorstep. Anyway, so this box is coming from The Sweets, which is a website or online store that is owned and operated by Thelisha of Where Baking and Crafting Meets here on YouTube. Now, I happen to be in her Facebook group, and I like to go there just to see some of the baked goods and hang out with the other paper crafters. Now, granted, yes, I do have the Maker Exchange, and she's in that one too. So it's fun to hang out in different communities. We don't need to just, be segregated amongst our own little circle. It's good to spread out, spread the love, spread the inspiration, and also to be inspired by different people and their different talents and what have you. So again, in her Facebook group, she alternates between, I shouldn't say alternate. She shares her baking creative projects, as well as her papercraft mixed media type projects. And on her site, she has a variety of different items. She has her own branded, from what I just saw, stamps. So I'm so excited because I love to support small businesses that have their own line. You know what I mean? It's nothing like knowing that when you make that purchase for that collection, if you will, that you're helping to keep somebody's lights on, or maybe with whatever that little extra that they got for the profit, they might be able to buy the kids some ice cream or something. Stuff is so expensive these days. I mean, it's going to take quite a few purchases, but nevertheless, you get what I'm saying. Hobby Lobby don't feel my $50 when I come out of that store. Don't nobody feel that in there. Now, I'm going to stop rambling, and I'm going to go on ahead and open up this box. But before I do, if you are new to the channel and you enjoy paper crafting, DIYs, a couple of hauls. I'm not big on doing hauls. A couple of unboxings. I do product reviews, of course. But I keep it kind of budget friendly because I'm a mom. Many of you out there are on a budget like me. But if you're new to the channel and you're interested in any of those things, feel free to click the subscribe button now, along with the notification bell, so you don't miss anything. You don't want to miss anything, okay? And for those of you who are subscribers, thanks so much for coming back, for sharing, for liking, for commenting, and for sharing my video. My latest video was, oh God, I know the rambling is deep, but it's over very shortly. I think Bev's Crafty Place shared my latest video. I'll put it up in the corner. Legendary Women of the Harlem Renaissance, and that's where I just shared the latest Etsy digital that I released. And I had more orders in one day than I had all last month. Okay, so if you're interested in that digital, look below or check out that video that I just posted. Now, I will post a link to Thelisha's website, her shop. In addition to that, you'll find a link in the description box to her Facebook group, because if you like baking, paper crafting, mixed media, that's where you're going to want to go, okay? So now, without further ado, because God knows I have rambled for all of 3 minutes. That ain't too bad, though, because I can do worse. So let's just open this up, and then, because I can't even remember what I purchased. Oh yeah, I ordered some Tim Holtz Distress ink. Because why? Because I'd rather buy it from her than Hobby Lobby, okay? Broken china, and I like the little size because this is what I keep my small little squares in. You can find this at any of the craft stores, but this is what I keep mine in. Oh, who knew? Oh, I already had that one, but I don't even know where I got this one from. Well, you know what? I'll be gifting this in the next. That's how much I like this color. This will be going in the giveaway, okay? And Thelisha, send me some of your cards. Send me a card or something. Actually, I'll just download something offline so that I can say that it came from your shop. Anyways, it says, look in the box. It says, Queen, thank you, Miss Fam, Thelisha Thompson. Don't you just love that personalized touch? So look, y'all, this is the her Bakers and Crafters, her ephemera. She made these. I love, 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 love how she packaged them. Love it. Okay, so I don't want to pull it out. Look how Thelisha, you did such an amazing job. Okay, giveaway box. But look at this. Look at all the layers of goodness that this woman has in here. Look at that. With the, I always say this wrong, raffia rope. Don't hold me to that, y'all, please. Seriously. The butterflies. Like, I already had, this is 6 cards right here, y'all. Thanks, Thelisha. Thanks for the Mother's Day cards that I won't be having to make this year. Because I have quite a few I've got to send out. Pandemic, I've been out of touch. I'm trying to stay in touch, but here we go. Bam. Thank you. Look at that. I absolutely love it. Okay, so now let me show you what I really... Oh, wait a minute. I did not order this. Oh, ephemera. Look at that. Can y'all see that? These will make really cute paper clips. Oh, yeah. These little tiles. Yeah, don't look at my hands. I need a manicure. It's Manicure Monday, so hopefully I'll be able to get that done. These are so cute. Okay. And then this looks like stickers. It feels like it has a sticker back to it. I don't want to jump the gun on that. Oh. Ah. These are extras. These are goodies. I didn't order this. Look at that. These will make great backgrounds for journal cards or whatever, paper crafting. Y'all know the deal. Look at that. I love that with the clock and the splashes. And okay, so how exciting. Thank you so much, Thelisha, for giving me some extras. Now this is what I kind of squealed when I saw it. Oh my gosh, wait a minute. The camera, it gets on my nerves. I squealed when I saw this, y'all. Bakers and Crafters, Liquids and Flowers. This is her own mixed media, origami, card making, journaling, decoupage, scrapbooking, albums. This is her own 6x6 papers. And I am so excited that I get to be the first, one of the first, I should say, to play with this from her. This is awesome. Okay, so I'm not going to keep y'all long, but I mean, if you're here, just pause if you don't want to see it. That's so rude of me, isn't it? Anyways, y'all know, y'all know what the deal. I mean, no one sets out to be intentionally rude. But in my sheer excitement, my manners just get away from me. Okay, so these are the different patterns. So look, we've got this. Love it. And so each set you get 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let me show you how thick this paper is. Hold on just a second. Because it's worth noting what you're getting ready to get. Okay? Well, let me go through the whole set first. So then we have the butterfly in muted, like a celery green, water prints, or coffee print, you know. Oh, it's called Liquids and Flowers. You get it? Water spills and stuff. That's so cute. And then we have the music sheets. Okay, then we've got the little inks and coffee stains there from the coffee mug. And then this is what I really, really like because I don't have a lot. Oh, and she gives you plenty of these. So all of those, you get 4 each of those designs, of those 3 designs. And then here you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 of these. I think these are. Let me make sure that no, it's 2 different sets. Okay, so you get 4 of these florals. They kind of look like stamps, and they'll be awesome cut aparts. Okay, so you got this set. I'm all over the place. Bear with me, folks. When am I at? You got that set. You've got this set. And these will make great paper clips. They'll make, you know, you can put these on some tiles like dominoes and wire wrap them and hang them off of use them as charms. I know that was a specific piece of advice or tip or idea. Probably because I've been thinking about that for a while. Okay, so you get 4. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different designs, 4 each. So that's 24 sheets. Okay, and I love them all. And now I want you to take a look. All right, let me cut this in what I think is going to be a 6x6. All right, just so you can see what her paper is not, which is it's not flimsy. Okay. Okay, so this is regular paper, right? Regular copy paper. It's actually bright white by Pen and Gear from Walmart. And I print on this. It prints okay, double-sided. But this see what I'm saying? This paper is a great thickness. So you can use this for mixed media because it's thick because of the thickness. You can also use this for card making, scrapbooking. She already told you, journaling, decoupage, all of those things that we use paper for, you can. Keeping in mind that this is definitely not like tissue paper thin. It's not. So I would strongly suggest you run yourself on over to her shop. Grab hold of this paper pack because summer's here, folks. It's already here. I mean, granted, we just got like the 5th day of spring, but I'm just saying, summer's right around the corner. And these will make great little cards. And also for the spring, Mother's Day's coming up. So in any event, that is what I picked up from her shop. And I'm just happy to be able to share that with you all. And again, go take a gander over. Support small businesses. You know, woman-owned. Woman created, woman designed. That's what it's all about, all right? Hobby Lobby don't care if y'all come through them doors, especially you see how they pulled those coupons. Okay, let me leave y'all alone with those coupons. Thelisha says she ain't putting coupons out because if she ever get ready to pull them, she don't want to hear y'all. She do not want to hear y'all mouth in case she decided to discontinue the coupon. So she said no. No, I'm just kidding. She actually does have sales going on her site, but I think she also offers discounts to her Facebook group members. Not that you need to run over there so that exclusively for the discount. You want to hang out there. But if you are a member of her group, I think she offers a percentage off somewhere on there, or at some point she did. Nevertheless, anyways, thanks so much for watching, guys. Support small businesses. And remember, we're still in a pandemic. So wash your hands, wear your mask, 6 feet of distance from people you don't know, and probably a little bit more from the people you do. And take care of yourselves. And until we're back here together on YouTube, guys, stay encouraged, stay blessed, stay creative and crafting. Bye for now. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Hit subscribe to join the crafty community and be sure to click the bell for notifications of new uploads. Thank you so much for watching. Now stay tuned for more from Livie's Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel. Bye for now.